Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion, some beauty products. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please do so you can join my YouTube family and see all of the new videos that I've uploaded. So there's something today I wanted to share with you that I picked up from a amazing artist in the Toronto area. She's opening up a new gallery, I think this month, near the end of the month, in the Yorkville area. So if you're interested, go check her out. Here's a photo of some of her artwork. I do have some more placed after the mod shots of something that I did unbox from her. So please keep on watching. Toronto. I seen her on a network. It's called the Shopping Channel here in Canada. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, guys. It came wrapped like this. And this is what this artist does. Her name is Michelle. I'm not quite sure about the pronunciation. Vella. And there it is there. And I will link her information down below, her website, her contact information, if any of you are interested in this product. Let's go ahead, guys. Look at the beautiful, beautiful pink color. This one I purchased is a jacket. Look at that, great for summer, and it's made out of like a like a wetsuit type fabric. Gorgeous pink. Look at the fake buttons on there, guys. Is that not gorgeous? And I believe it's reversible. Yes, it is. This one says suit of armor. It is reversible, guys. And it's wide, big eyes is what she's done here. Look at the back. Is that not stunning? She does paint a lot of stars, and she makes them in this concept with the big eyes, which is truly amazing, something unique, something different. I just love it. You guys need to go over and check her out. Her stuff is amazing. She is opening up a new gallery in the Toronto area of Yorkville. So once again, I will put that information down in the description bar. Go over, check her out, you know, have a conversation with her and see her amazing art. She also does, if you want something done, custom order, you can have your family portraits done, you can have singles, you can have your dog. So her stuff is just amazing, guys. So guys, here is the jacket on. I've paired it with some jeans and just a white t-shirt. And my pink shoes, so you can see the jacket, what it looks like. And here is the back of the jacket. And a close-up of the front. Look at the eyes on that. Is that not stunning? I really like this a lot. I like things that are different, that not everybody has. Close up on the eyes. I love this piece. So lightweight. Looks really nice with this DIY jean project that I did. I put pearls all over the legs, stars, and some rhinestones. But here's a close-up of the front. Just a gorgeous jacket. Once again, the back. Here's just a few of the items that she has painted. Look at the graphics on this one. The next shot just shows the scale of her artwork. It does start off in size as 8 by 10. This is Prince. Look at his eyes done in the purple there. Next one is of Marilyn Monroe. She also does face masks with filters with non and also t-shirts. Very, very talented. She's in Toronto, Canada. I will link all of her information in the description bar below. So remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Till next time, guys, stay safe, take care.